Welcome to the home science lesson on what is home science. By the end of the video, you will learn about meaning of home science, relevance of home science, and how home science is a discipline and profession. You will also learn about areas of specialization in home science, career opportunities in home science, and so much more. So, what is home science? Home science is like a magical blend of science and art, focusing on your home, its inhabitants, and their well-being. It's all about making your life better, managing resources efficiently, and creating a healthy and happy home. Home science combines the science of understanding things scientifically and the art of using that knowledge to create harmony and pleasant results. Home science is relevant in today's world since, in the past, society had fixed roles for men and women, but times have changed. Both genders share responsibilities, whether at home or in their careers. Home science equips you with essential life skills to manage your resources efficiently, become organized, and excel in both your personal and professional life. But what can you specialize in within home science? There are 5 major components. Food and nutrition. It delves into food science, clinical nutrition, and more. Fabric and apparel science. Explore clothing construction, textile science, and design. Resource management. Learn about efficient resource use, housing, and interior decoration. Human development. Understand child welfare, family guidance, and elderly care. Communication and extension. Dive into media, program planning, and community development. And you can turn your home science skills into various career opportunities. You can work as salaried employees, self-employed entrepreneurs, or consultants, depending on your interests and expertise. For example, if you're passionate about food, you can become a chef, start a catering business, or even offer cooking classes. If you love decorating spaces, you could be an interior designer or manage your guest house. Home science opens doors to diverse career options. The possibilities are endless, from teaching to communication and extension, from resource management to fabric and apparel design, and much more. So, home science is your key to a well-balanced life and a rewarding career. It combines science and art to make your home happier, healthier, and more harmonious. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.